Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good because the time is really hard for everybody throughout the world, specifically in India. Please wear mask, stay at your home, stay safe, and let's talk about this video. In this video I am going to tell you about 3 to 4 Instagram story hacks that you can use to upgrade your Instagram business profile as well as your Instagram personal profile as well. So let's get started with this session. Without any further delays, let's move to the main video. I've chosen a photo from my gallery and then I have clicked on the color option beside the sticker. I'm trying to choose a color actually. So here probably what will I choose? Let me see. I think I'll choose the orange color over here. So I'm going to tap on the orange color on the image and you can see the orange color is completely filled in the image. And then you can choose the eraser and just put the image like this so that the image is not visible, and you can write something like this, like who's there, or who is it, guess who is here, like this, so that you're not revealing who actually it is, so that people go to your post and actually see who it is. You can actually add a poll over here if you want to. If you don't know, this is actually my dog Dollar over here. Now coming to the second way, I've chosen a custom picture over here. You can create a picture. I've chosen the picture from my gallery. Then I'm going to write it in a very different way. I'm going to write happy June or happy July. So what I'll do first is I will not write the first letter. If I write happy, I'm going to write appy, A-P-P-Y. I'll tell you why. Let me first write it, okay? So here I'm going to, let me see first which font I'm going to choose. I'm choosing the first font. I'm writing appy, as you can see, A-P-P-Y. Don't write H over here. Then you can change the color and put it over here. And also I've written H in a different font. I've written the H in a different font and I have put it over there. And I'm going to choose another word, another font. I'm going to choose over here. As you can see, I have just written here. Okay, so I'm going to write here happy May, I guess. So here I have chosen the same font as H and I've put it over there already. And I am changing the AY as the previous font of APPY and I'm putting it over there. So in this way, as you can see, the first letter of the two words is actually changed, and you can actually change the color of it also. And this is a really cool way to actually write any caption on your story. You can actually apply this and tell me how you use this. And this is, I'm writing love actually. I just written OVE and I'm going to put a sticker in front of, I'm not going to write L. I did put a sticker over here and I'm going to put it as my story. You can actually apply this and tell me how this works. Okay, cool, isn't it? Okay, again coming to the third hack, I'm going to choose multiple photos from my gallery and I'm going to put it on my story. As you can see, you can actually put multiple pictures from your gallery like this. Well, this is my Instagram. You can go and follow. Its name is @rainbow soul. You can actually go and follow and see all this cool stuff. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add hashtags. I'm adding hashtag social media marketing, and then I'm adding hashtag social media design, and I'm going to put it in my story. And I'm going to hide those hashtags with a cool sticker. Let me find one. Which one I'm going to use? Let me choose Yes, this is a cool sticker, and I'm going to just expand it in such a way so that it is not visible to any of my viewers, but it is also reachable. If I use hashtags, it is actually very much reachable to many audiences. So I'm going to use this. Pretty cool, na? So you can use this also. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. I upload new videos every week, and hope you like this video, and that's it for this session. Hoping to see you in the next session again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The name of my Instagram handle is Rainbow Soul. The link will be in my bio, and also my Facebook. It is named as Aaishwarya Guha as the name of this channel. And stay safe. The times are really hard for everybody. Stay safe, wear a mask, and stay at your home and learn new skills. Happy learning.